from £16,000 per year to £65,000 income. Istvan worked as a CCTV security officer with a salary of £16,000 per year. He had a severe and stressful job. You can't imagine the stories that I've heard of what happened to him when he was 5 minutes late, or he wanted a break for personal issues. Besides being pulled by his ear, he immediately got cut out of his salary for the missing time. He started his practice with WowDope, and after 3 months he got his first job after the third interview, on £30,000 a year as front-end developer. His next responsibilities jump in his career were on £50,000 and £65,000 in a few years. Istvan's motivation was that he had a very poorly paid job and very stressful job from which he wanted to get out as quickly as humanly possible. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join WowDope and apply.